Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying you have read and write access to the exact data store. This avoids mid-edit permission failures. Next, open the Datastore Editor from the main menu or use the keyboard shortcut to save time. Once opened, choose the project and environment. Production versus staging matters, so you don't accidentally change live data. Make sure to filter by collection or table now, because setting the correct scope up front simplifies every following action. You'll now perform the edits. Decide between inline edits for single records or bulk upload for many. Once you edit, validate the schema, check field types, required fields, and default values so clients don't break. After that, use the preview or dry run option to inspect a sample commit. This shows exactly what will change and why. If everything looks right, stage the changes as a small batch to reduce risk and confirm downstream processes remain stable. You finish by committing the changes in small batches and watching logs and metrics for anomalies. If you're making a large update, create a snapshot or export first so you can restore quickly. This is your rollback plan. If something goes wrong, pause and check 3 things: permissions, schema mismatches, and error logs. Those usually reveal the root cause. Finally, revert the affected batch if needed, then reapply fixes and rerun the small commit to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.